Alright, I just used 6 cups of Fruity Pebbles. I got a little over a half cup of Cannabutter. Well, shit, damn near a whole cup of this shit it look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and melt this butter up. Stir the Fruity Pebbles in with it. Stir the marshmallows in with it. Oh, and my marshmallows is kosher. See, a lot of y'all don't know. Marshmallows is made out of pig bones. And y'all know I don't eat pork, you feel me? Especially not pig bones, you feel me? So shit, I got some kosher marshmallows, no pork in it, you feel me? Only kosher, you see that? Fuck no. You know, keep it kosher around here, bro. Alright, so we melted the butter and we threw the marshmallows in. I used 8 ounces of marshmallow. Again, like I said, a half cup of butter, but I threw an extra scoop in there just because I want mine extra strong, you feel me? Fruity Pebbles over here, 6 cups, like I said. 6 cups of this, half a cup of butter, a little more than a half cup of butter. 8 ounces of marshmallow, kosher marshmallows, of course, you feel me? And yeah, we starting on low heat here. Y'all don't look at that. Good butter though. Phone.
All you needed was me. I got this shit done.
Stop it, nigga. Whip that shit. Whip that shit. You don't know how to whip that shit. Here, hold this. I'm gonna show you how to whip this shit. You gotta have the bent wrist with it, you feel me? You gotta swag with that shit, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta dip, you know, so you can get that little corner, you feel me? You got to dip in that motherfucker, you feel me? You gotta have a bent wrist though. Your wrist gotta be like this when you stirring that motherfucker, you feel me? Otherwise your whip game not proper, bro. You gotta keep your whip game proper around this bit, you heard? Look at that shit. Whip game proper. Whip game proper, motherfucker. Pour the Fruity Pebbles in there. Now we're just stirring them up. Yep, go ahead, just like that. You just stir them up.
Tonight.
Tonight, we're burning niggas.
Alright, I love my fingers.
Yeah, with that shit. You need a strong wrist for this right here, yeah? Whip game too proper. Oh no. I don't think she's done yet. What y'all think? I see a lot of strings in there, look like webs, you heard?
What the fuck is it supposed to look like?
I don't know. I just feel like I want you to do more. Alright, I just poured everything about the pot straight into here. I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then cut it up and start eating them, you know? Yeah, stone, boy! Look at that oil in there. I'm finna lick it up. I'm just playing. But yeah, that's the process. I'm done. Shout out to everybody on my page, all my subscribers, man. Everybody that come mess with me on the live streams, man. Holla at your boy.